Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're doing well. First April protect Mockup for Photoshop, but these are protected first you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to Sheri skpwd.com and get subscription for a lifetime, then you can access of my all file. Okay, so here 23 mockup pack, total size of these file 6.77 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in single file. Here A4 flare for Photoshop, you see these are PSD. A4 certificate mockup, and you can import your certificate in this mockup. Same thing here, look like a laptop, but these are before Brochure mockup. Next, head in three different view. See, these are PSD, you can add it in Photoshop. Here business card mockup, you can import your business card here. Second business card preview, not just preview, these are PSD file. You see, okay. Next, fishing mob t-shirt, back side and front side, zipper collar, okay. Same thing, fishing t-shirt, gift card mockup, and Gilu poster mockup, Instagram post mockup, and phone screen, okay. Laptop mockup, here light box and branding mockup, you can here JPG, import your brand. Amazing. iPhone 15 Pro mockup, you can import screenshot. Oh, these are PSD file, poster mockup, and here shopping bag, slide gift mockup holder, mailing box, and stand board. Paste. I know you know how to customize these files in Photoshop. Okay, all files are fully editable, but these are protected. First you need subscription for all access. Go to sheriskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime, one time payment only. Okay, and then you have access for lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.